Infrastructure is the backbone of any country. According to a study by Deloitte Consulting, 77% of global executives believe that availability of infrastructure is a key determinant of where they locate their business.
Over the last couple of years, infrastructure has taken the center stage of most countries' agenda. Even the most developed nations have infrastructure as their top priority as they grapple with changing citizen needs and pressure on their aging urban infrastructure. This chart by Deloitte Consulting shows some of the figures of global stimulus programs.
India has arrived on the global platform of leading nations, shaping the dialogue in many fields. India's agenda for infrastructure transformation, as expressed in the 12th plan, talks about a staggering infusion of $353 billion, and the implementation of this plan continues at a feverish pace.
But for companies like yours, who are involved in infrastructure execution, there are a few key imperatives. You must be able to demonstrate the necessary governance and risk management practices that provide greater confidence in your ability to deliver on time and on budget.
We believe it will be true leaders who will seize a disproportionate share of this huge infrastructure opportunity. Towards that, leaders must be able to foresee challenges and recalibrate their capabilities to realize their vision. Leaders need to do three things and do them well: leverage information, integrate resources, anticipate risks. To leverage information, leaders must insist on data accuracy and timeliness. To enable leadership to make informed decisions, it is necessary to view data from a single source of truth in context of a business solution. Leaders must continuously eliminate waste in their quest to success. They must invest in and leverage tools that helps them coordinate various resources and functions. By doing so, they must also manage planned as well as unplanned activities in a seamless way. Leaders have to be proactive and not just react to situations. They must anticipate risks and mitigate them before they become bottlenecks. To anticipate risks, leaders like you need tools that helps you to analyze cross-functional events, visualize patterns and current work status to anticipate risks and take action long before they become problems. The three areas that is critical to attain leadership position needs to be accomplished across 4 outcome areas. The outcome areas are projects. Projects include planning, monitoring, and control. Materials. Materials include inventory and procurement. Finance. Finance includes budgeting, project accounting, and billing. Sales. Sales includes enquiry management and client billing.
You can prepare cost plans for projects through estimates using standard library of items with associated rate analysis. You can automatically generate work breakdown structure of the project from estimates using inbuilt templates which provide timelines and dependencies of activities. You can track material procurement and delivery schedule to predict delays which can adversely affect project completion. you can obtain a clear view of cash inflows and outflows to assess the revenue position and develop appropriate strategies and tactics. You can capture sales activity across the board to identify availability of sold and unsold units and take proactive action. You can compare actual progress of projects against financial and operational constraints. An S-curve shows you how the project team will be able to perform against the plan. Identify resource consumption variance by comparing planned versus actuals across resource groups and subgroups. Visualize the reality of project execution early. Track profitability at any stage of the project to ensure that corrective action and redistribution of resources can be triggered before reaching the threshold point. Capture prospect interactions across locations and automate follow-up actions with associated alerts to generate better inquiry to sales conversion. Identify resource requests that are reaching critical path and if not fulfilled quickly can adversely affect project execution. You can now reduce delays in resource requisition through automated alerts and escalations. Skewed material consumption as against planned for a specific activity can be detected early and preventive action taken. Anticipate cost escalation at any stage of the project. Visualize your cost to completion throughout the project life cycle. Anticipate delays in collection of sales receivables. Identify pockets of slow cash inflow and take. You can now grow your company with Opticon. Softech Engineers is your growth partner with 750 person-years of development and implementation experience, a proven implementation track record with customers who speak about its value, national and global presence, ISO 9001-2008 certification, alliances with international companies like Autodesk, IBM, Microsoft, and as innovators in the AEC domain with several awards and recognitions. Softech is a partner you can trust. Softech has won several awards and accolades for their trailblazing products. These include recognition by the National Urban Renewal Mission as the best practice for building plan automation, the World Leadership Award, and many more. Softech has had a proven implementation with several clients across India and UAE, Nigeria. Al Hikma, a leading contractor in UAE, is all praise for Softech. Bakeri Engineering and Infrastructure, a leading player, talks about the domain expertise and value that Softech brings to the table. So what can you do now? You can share this demo. You can like this demo. You can mail us. You can talk to us. Or you can get to know more about Softech and Opticon.